Shika, today's topic is about Diwali.
Yeah, yeah,
So, do you celebrate Diwali
yeah. I celebrate every year.
every year? So what kind of things you will do on Diwali?
Yes. So on Diwali, as I think, as you know, like lightning the home, and also I make rangoli at my home on Diwali, and I don't like burst crackers, so that is not in my bucket list. But rather than sweets, dishes, and enjoy with family, friends. That's all the common things that we do.
So, you don't like bursting crackers?
I don't like. I have fear.
We have fear from your childhood.
Yeah, from my childhood, I never did.
Oh my,
I just means I can see whatever happening, whatever the next other people doing, but I can't do by by my own hand.
you don't
I
like the
have
sound.
sound, even sound, and also I have fear. I means I always think that when I'm gonna burst it, then maybe it will harm me. So
So,
that's why.
what about the nighttime crackers? Nighttime things that you like, isn't it? Uh, Morning they will burst some crackers, and nighttime they will be having different kinds of crackers, like the flower pot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Means I don't like. I can see. Means I like to watch everything. I don't
Oh,
do by my own hand. Yeah, what is my work? I like to make rangoli and also candle on the every room in every means every corner of the home that I like to do. Diyas somewhere we have to put, and also with my mom and my sister-in-law. So sometimes I just with them for kitchen work, like for making sweets and other fast food like this.
so you like silent Diwali rather than sound Diwali, right? You like
I
to
like
celebrate
sound.
outdoors.
Yeah, yeah, but okay, it's okay. But I'm not gonna do this. Even as other people, other person of the family, they are doing, and even child, some other child, they are doing. So I'm like a, if I what I say, spectator.
You are respecting that.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
respect that.
spectator.
That's good. So, what is your opinion on bursting crackers?
It's really it is harmful, and I think from the last 2 and 3 years, government also started to ban. I mean, so they are just ban every year that you should not do this. Even though some people doing this, they don't just follow the rule of government, but it is really harmful. If some eco-friendly, I think if any crackers, then you can. Otherwise, it's no. I think no one crackers are eco-friendly. It is it is also harmful for not only for human beings, environment, and also for animals, birds. So how can I say that it is good for for everyone? Even I also have seen whenever the people they start to busting crackers, so that time animals, if in their surrounding any animals or birds, so they started to just shouting in their own, so like they are disturbed, and so I think it's not good.
Especially during Diwali, especially you cannot find dogs, street dogs. They will disappear because they are
Yeah,
scared of bursting crackers.
they just hid, I think, themselves.
That's a good point.
What's your opinion? Do you like celebrate?
No, I was liking bursting crackers when I was young, when I was child. But now I don't like to burst crackers because I feel that it is creating pollution first of all, and
Yeah,
it is harmful for animals, and it is harmful for the environment, and also it is waste of money.
yeah, yeah, sure, definitely you are right.
My mom used to say, burning crackers, I mean, bursting crackers is like burning money.
Burning money, yeah, she was right.
So she used to say that. But as a child, we don't listen to it, right? Like the child likes to enjoy rather than they think they don't know the value of money.
They don't know value of the money, and they just want to enjoy the moment. They
Yeah,
don't know what will be the result.
exactly, exactly. And like many people are wasting the money, like they are buying crackers for even 10,000, 20,000 rupees.
Yeah, 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 exactly. You're right. I also have heard about some people. They have bought crackers, and I don't know how they will burst. This is a huge amount. 10,000, 5,000. They just bought crackers. So I think it will definitely it will harm somewhere wherever they are about to burst them.
And it's harmful for birds also.
Yeah,
Apart from
yeah.
animals, it's affecting birds also. And the 10,000 wala, 5,000 wala, that rate is like 5,000, 10,000 rupees.
Oh my God.
They are spending a lot of money. So rather than spending a lot of money on burning crackers, they can give to poor people, right? They can give some food. Many people are not having single meal.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They can give. It's one thing that if they will do so, that's more better than that. Even it will be beneficial for them because some people they can't afford even candles and diya on the occasion of Diwali. So if you are just about to give them any help, so that is your, I think, greatness.
Yeah. And they can even donate to orphanage.
Yeah, yeah, it's also.
At least they can celebrate Diwali.
Yeah, right, right. So it will then you will be blessed.
I will be blessed rather than wasting money, rather than uh, creating some pollution. You can do something, right?
Yeah, I think you will be contributing somewhere good thing.
So how you are planning to celebrate this time?
Oh, in this,
I mean,
yeah,
it's coming in a couple of months.
couple of, yeah, yeah. As usual means I just I'm be ready for prepare for making rangoli. Also, I'm a bit foodie, not too much, so I'm so excited to have some sweets and also some different kinds of foods on that occasion. And on we means what is the most important thing that I like means on that day, if you're gonna notice, so every home they decorate very properly, and that looks very very awesome. Means I just like this to watch. Every time I what I do, I just you know uh, I think walk here and there from my home to some neighborhood what they are doing and what some other are doing and what is the news. So like this, and for decoration thing that bought by my brother. So they always.
So are you still celebrating the same way you celebrated as a child, or the celebration differs now?
Yeah, in my childhood, I was not able to make rangoli properly. So this is one thing that I, now I started to do. That one thing.
So
Yeah.
now good rangolis.
Yeah, even I start to make at my home and in front of door and also in front of my door there is one temple. So I just go on the temple and also make one rangoli. So like this, 3 to 4 rangoli in a day. I just make.
Oh, 2 to 4.
Yeah.
So
So
big one
I
or small?
spend good time with Rangoli also.
Is it a big one or small one? Small rangoli or big one?
For home, it's a big one.
A
Yeah,
big one.
and all are, yeah, some is small, small.
So are they conducting any kind of competition over there? Like sometimes during festival season they will conduct some competition, like rangoli competition. Will it
Um,
happen?
no, at home, so there is no any competition. Yeah, everyone they just make up to their choice. So no competition. But yeah, and whenever I just got into job, so now I also started to make rangoli in my school also before closing. Yes, before closing for Deepavali holiday. So before 1 or 2 days, I just make, and now students they are also just curious to make that. Every Deepavali they just waiting for that. So these are the things that I started.
So how much time would it consume to do a rangoli, complete a rangoli?
Or yeah, so as I mentioned, like 3 and 4 rangoli, I just make. So it consume around 4 hours.
Oh my God.
Yeah, because yeah, my speed is also slow, so I just make it with very fun.
So will it be some kind of will it have some kind of theme, or will it have some kind of meaning?
Yeah, yeah. So, like, in the last time we have put one theme, like in this Deepavali, let's burst your ego, not uh, crackers. So
Oh,
this
so
theme we had
I,
just put,
it's a
and
nice.
rather than for I said for temple, and also we just make some Lord Ganesha and their idol, so that is enough for temple rangoli.
So do you like drawing?
Yeah, a bit. I also like.
That's good. Maybe you should make some kind of YouTube video for rangoli also.
Maybe.
It might be useful for others, right? Those who are watching the video, they might try it in their home.
Okay.
Okay, so I think okay. Now we'll go to some situational question. This is the new thing introduced uh, I mean, document. Okay, so I'm going to explain the situation, and you tell me like how to handle that kind of situation.
Okay.
This is not related to the topic. It's not related to the Diwali, but something different. You might have noticed it. Like
Okay.
for example, you have a you have best friends, right?
Okay.
So you have a best friend, and you are sharing some kind of secret to your best friend, and that secret is very big secret that cannot be revealed to anyone. Okay, some personal secret. Okay, but that person have broken. I mean, revealed your secret to all everybody.
Oh,
So, how would you react, and what will be your action?
yeah, it will be some silent action. It will be
Okay.
because I want to do everything silently, I can say. So first of all, if he or she had done this, so already he have awareness about this. That yeah, they have do. So after that, for a while, let me check that is it clear, right or not? Whatever they have spread means sometimes they also have spread something another, means what was my intention and they have spread something another. So first of all, I will try to check out this, and then if it will be right, then what will be the reaction. I just try to make a conversation, because we are best friends. So try to make a conversation means why you have did this. Is it even if I don't do this with you, I always don't reveal your secret, then why are you doing this? And after that, I think if maybe it also happened, someone they just uh, asked something and told something unintentionally, so it might be happened. So if the situation like that, then I will means we will try to make a another time best friend, but yeah, but good best friend, because we will try to okay if it happened, just let it be, and also cover it with something another. If you have done this, then now it is your priority and it's your reliability that you should have to try to just cover it, that yeah, it was happened unintentionally, it is not wrong, right, it's wrong. So like this, that is up to him or her. And after that, if that is like a test. If he or she will be passed, then we will again a friend, I think it.
That's really great. So rather than cutting the friendship, you are giving another chance for your friend to cover it up. right? You're
Yeah,
giving.
I will try because if someone is your best friend, so I think it must happen unintentionally. No one want to reveal your secret intentionally if he or she is your best friend.
But some people cannot handle the secret properly. They don't have control. Even
They don't.
they don't
And
they
yeah,
don't
the
control.
next if they don't have control, the next time I will try to already say, hide my secret with them. I don't want to say them that if I have idea that he or she don't control upon them, then why should I say them?
Some
Maybe.
people feel like whenever if you tell secret to them, some people have the tendency like their if they don't tell that secret to anyone else, their head will break. That kind of tendency they have. Like some people have.
I think so. For that, I should be aware for them.
We should be
Don't
aware.
try. Don't say them anything which is secret. Just keep it to us.
So, what is your opinion on like gossiping?
Yeah, gossiping. It is a common thing. Everyone do this, so I can't avoid this. I also sometimes. But for personally, if I talk about myself, so gossiping always I do. Only sometime for food items we just try to make a gossip about this, and also and sometimes make a gossip for for study time, like yeah, if we are someone and we just get together, so it started to gossip, yeah, what you want to do next, what I want to, and someone else, like this, a gossip. And sometimes it also happens we just gossip about Bollywood, Hollywood, and their some actress and actor, their life, whatever we were know, and maybe their daily routine. We just check something. So whatever everyone have idea, we just start to gossip. Yeah, I also know this. We also know this. So like this, we just gossip. I think we just do gossip like this.
But you don't like gossiping among yourself, isn't it? Like within your friends. I mean,
Yeah,
some you talk about other friends.
with my friend. Yes, now we have no time too much. We all are separately. So if we will just talk whenever we want on call. So right now we don't have time to just get together and gossip. So now I just detached from this.
So now you are dealing like busy lifestyle, isn't it? You are having a busy lifestyle.
Everyone, not only me. We all have busy lives. Everyone is involved in their. I think they indulge completely in their own life.
So how long you have been working as a teacher?
It's been 3 years.
3 years in a government school.
Yeah, it's been 3 years in a government school.
How was your experience?
Yeah, it was very nice, and it is very nice. And I also have experienced many things that I had no idea, and now I have. So really, if you are a responsible person and you are in any duty, so you must be uh, a bit mature. Because earlier I was doing like kiddies. I had a kiddies nature, so everything I just took easily. Okay, it is. But now, if we are going to ask anything, if you are going to stock anything, then first of all we have to just think about this, what we are going to deliver.
So now you are like a role model for the children.
We should. So that's why we should.
So
Whatever we just I think do, children then follow. So it's not a good for social.
so what kind of activities happen during Diwali, especially in the school? What kind of celebration uh, happen?
Earlier, I means I didn't have idea what they were doing, but yeah, when after getting into job, and I started to make a rangoli, and also just started to light a lamp like a diyas in school also, and then just make a bit competition. among students. Okay, let's try who will be winner and who will make a good rangoli. So like this, and some drawing competition before that.
That's cool. Okay. So, so once again, it was a very good conversation with you, as usual.